How to fix your mouse lagging or freezing on your Windows computer. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix mouse stuttering, lag, and cursor freezing step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials. First, unplug your mouse from your computer and plug it back in. Sometimes just this step is enough to fix the issue. If the issue's still there, open the Start menu on your Windows computer. Search for Settings and open the Settings app. Um, in the left-hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Scroll down and click on Mouse. Now, make sure Scroll in active windows when hovering is turned off. Next, scroll down and click on Additional Mouse Settings. Go to Pointer Options and make sure Display Pointer Trails is turned off. Once that's done, click Apply and then OK. Now open the Start menu again. Search for Device Manager and open it. Expand the section called Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Now, right-click on your mouse and select Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically for drivers. If it still doesn't fix the issue, right-click the mouse again and select Uninstall Device. If you uninstalled the device successfully, your mouse should no longer work. Restart your computer so Windows can reinstall the mouse drivers automatically. After restarting, your mouse should be working normally again. And that's it. That's how you can fix mouse lag or freezing on Windows easily.